Welcome back to Grilling with Grove. My name's Austin, and today what I've got going for you is some jalapenos that have been cored, stuffed, rolled in sausage meat, and smoked on the grill. Now most people call these armadillo eggs, but different regions have different names. So the way that I like to do mine is we're actually going to core out the jalapeno, we're going to build a sour cream and pepper jack cheese stuffing, and then we're going to roll them in some breakfast sausage meat. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, you can see I've done a couple for practice. I've got this one started. We went ahead and took the cap off. So now we're going to take our paring knife, being very careful. We're going to go around the edge of it. And then this releases the middle. You're just going to kind of dig that out. If you have an apple core, that would work really well for this. And try not to cut it like I did. But go ahead and take the middle part of that out, and then we'll put our stuffing in there. Just rotating the knife, just kind of digging all of that inside out so that we can fit our stuffing. All right. So we got that done. So now we're gonna stuff this, and this one kind of has a crack in it. So I'm gonna kind of be careful not to let that stuffing come out. But the best way I've done is you just spoon it on, and then take your paring knife again, and just kind of take it and force it down to the bottom of the jalapeno. This should make this nice and creamy and cheesy on the inside. It's going to be delicious when we bite into it and it oozes with that cheese. Alright, so now that we have this stuffed with our cheese, the next thing we're going to do is roll this in sausage meat. So I'm going to get out the sausage meat and get that to where we can get rolling. Alright, we're back, and I've got some Jimmy Dean hot sausage across our pan here in a thin layer. We've got 12 jalapenos that are ready to be rolled. So the reason that I've thin lined this pan with the sausage is we're going to season the sausage, and that's a good tip if you're making sausage at home and you need to season the sausage. If you lay it thin across the pan and season it, it's an easy way to get an even layer of seasoning. Today we're going to be seasoning with some heaven-made products, some amazing Mexican Cajun. So we're just going to go on with a little light layer. We got to remember that this sausage is actually already seasoned, so we don't want to overdo it. So we're just going to lightly coat our sausage again with some of this seasoning. And now we're going to take the jalapeno, and I just kind of grab the sausage meat and just kind of put it along the outside in a nice thin layer. What you want to do is just kind of roll this thin in your hand where it's kind of evenly across. Make sure that you got a good seal on the top. And then actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back over the top of this with some more heaven-made products. We're going to use the Texas Best Rib Rub on the outside of this. So I'll do that once all of them are done. Now I'm gonna roll the rest of these and then we'll season them and put them on the smoker. All right, so we've got these rolled up and that sausage didn't make it to all of our jalapenos, but that's okay. We're just gonna put those jalapenos on there naked. Now what we're gonna do is season these up with some Texas Best rib rub from Heaven Made Products. So we're just gonna put a light coating again on the outside. And then we'll put it on the smoker. This is what it looks like after 30 minutes on the grill. So I'm just gonna flip these and rotate them, and then we'll continue cooking. We're back and our eggs are off the grill. They're done. So it's time to slice and give them a taste. All right, you can see right there that our stuffing made it to the bottom of the jalapeno. Our meat is cooked nicely. It's got a nice reddish hue to the outside of it. So let's give it a taste. That's pretty good. The sausage meat flavor is dominant flavor. Then you taste the jalapeno, you got a little spice from that. And then you kind of get that cheese and sour cream filling, which is very good as well. So definitely pleased with how these came out. If you liked the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. Cook it yourself. I'll see you on the next one.